Alright, so question 4 says the correct equation for the acceleration of the boy in the direction parallel to the plane is. Alright, so if we draw a body diagram, we know that weight is going down. Then we have the natural force perpendicular to the natural force. You know, we have mg cosine theta. Then we have the mg sine alpha. Then we have our kinetic force, or Fk. So when we figure out these two forces will cancel each other out, so we don't have to worry about that. It's just gonna be so mg sine of theta minus the force, of kinetic force. So I said it's 1. So F1 of sine, because you know we're going backwards. So that's F of A, or the sum of forces, which is M of A. So this is the answer. So it's going to be